Hey guys, Austin Taylor here with Dynamic Drains Plumbing and Drain Experts, where the best customer is the educated one. A common service call we get is for bathtub drain clogs. A very common type of bathtub drain that clogs is this type. It's very prone to it for whatever reason. So I just wanted to show you guys real quick how these can easily be removed so you can check and see if that's where the problem is. First off, make sure it's in the down position as though you're going to be filling the tub up. You can grab this part right here, the knob, and unscrew it. Most of the time it can be able to be done by hand. If need be, you can use a pair of pliers to grip onto it to make it a little easier to unscrew. Take your flathead screwdriver, unscrew that little guy right there, and remove it out. And if you do happen to have a clog, it's usually going to be caught up in the crosshairs right here, and you can either use a pair of pliers, a coat hanger, or a handy-dandy little drain stick like this to remove other excess air or whatever could be stopping it up. Hope that helps. Austin Taylor, Dynamic Drains Plumbing Drain Expert. Thank you.